You got the music, and he's, you know what I'm saying? All right, today I'm checking out Volbeat. I'm listening to the song Shotgun Blues. Let's get into it. See, for me, this is riff first, lyrics second. That's been happening a lot tonight. It must be a lot of good music tonight. But I still want to know like what the lyrics are about. And I think I got it. It's really the music video that's kind of tipping me off, right? This man's probably on death row. That's probably what Shotgun Blues are. Is it 1 minute to sing the Shotgun Blues? The Shotgun Blues is before you go in front of a firing squad. Is that what it is? You have 1 minute to, I guess, whatever you want to do before you about to get boom, blown to bits. Is that what it is? I don't know. But the riff is nasty, you know what I mean? And that's the main thing I'm feeling, so I'm listening to that. The vocals are actually kind of like more on the pleasant side. The music's nasty, but the vocals like 1 minute to sing the Shotgun. But you know what I'm saying? It's more like singing pleasantly. The singing is not nasty. It's just the music. It's just the music that is nasty. So that's, and they're doing the thing too that it's like usually I hear that with Metallica, or whatever you do after you say a word. You like, you know, I said a word, You know what I mean? They got that little thing going on in the vocals here too. Shotgun Blues. Mm. I like this image. Oh yeah, I don't know what that very last thing was, but that was cool. They had the dude's soul get up out his body after he was killed. Man, the music, it was always hitting. It was always hitting the whole song is what stood out the most about the song. But when they had the guy getting electrocuted, and then the music was all heavy and stuff right there, you got the music, and he's, you know what I'm saying? That just, I usually don't enjoy watching people get electrocuted and whatnot. But it's a music video, so I never seen in real life. But even on movies, you know what I mean? I usually don't enjoy watching people get electrocuted. But this time I actually did. It's not just, it was artsy. Like the artisticness of seeing him convulsing while that music was kicking balls and stuff. You know what I mean? I don't know. I felt like that was good. That was well done. But yeah, so that's gotta be what it's about. The shotgun blues, I've never heard that phrase. I wouldn't even think a firing squad would use shotguns. I would think they would use something else. But yeah, that must be what that phrase comes from. The shotgun blues comes from going in front of a fire squad. You have 1 minute to sing and da da da. So that makes sense. Like thinking back over the lyrics, you've had 32 years and now you're on the other side, and then that's what it is. A song about getting executed. I wonder if they had any experience. Yeah, maybe you have a relative. Because I mean, I would say I know people, maybe from the internet though, who have relatives who are in prison and stuff like that for a long time. I guess it might be something that happens quite often.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.